Welcome to the world of Claypaky. Today, you will live a new experience. You will be immersed in emotions that only light can evoke. Claypaky will be presenting a lot of innovative new products, all at the cutting edge of technology. Enjoy the show! Let's start with the KI. After the BI, which revolutionized the world of LED wash lights with extraordinary effects, Claypaky has now launched the KI HCR, an LED wash light which provides total control over the quality of all forms of white or colored light. The new HCR technology used in the KI is precisely what the most demanding lighting designers have been waiting for. With the KI, all the limitations of the past have been overcome, and every color, every nuance, and every shade is finally possible. The heart of the KI washlight is an LED light source consisting of 6 chips with different colors. The 3 basic red, green, and blue colors, along with additional amber, cyan, and lime chips. This exclusive Claypaky device provides excellent color spectrum coverage. Alongside the LED source, heart of this system is its brain, the brand new sophisticated software algorithm that gives total control over the unit. The light produced by the KI is very high quality, with a CRI that reaches values that have never been achieved before by LEDs and were previously only possible with traditional technology. The light parameters are managed through 14 channels that define the color, including a channel to adjust the color temperature from 2500 to 7500 degrees Kelvin as required. Every detail can be controlled separately, but a macro channel simplifies unit programming. The KI zoom ranges from 6 degrees to 50 degrees, and light diffusion remains uniform at any beam angle. Another function where the KI HCR excels is dimming. Its electronic dimmer has 16-bit resolution, which allows gradual dimming with imperceptible steps. The KI HCR is an extremely silent light and therefore suitable for noise-critical applications. It comes in K20 and K10 versions and is the most advanced LED color changer available for use in theaters, television studios, exhibitions, showrooms, and fashion shows. The KI will also be highly appreciated in every field as a key light, thanks to its excellent color rendering index and multifarious white light and color control possibilities. We would like to present another great new Claypaky product, the AXCORE Profile 900. Claypaky has launched a new course in its design research with this light. It is the first Claypaky spotlight to use an LED light source instead of a traditional discharge lamp. The AXCORE Profile 900 is an extremely bright white LED engine with a total power of 900 watts and a 24,000 lumen luminous flux. With this light output, the Claypaky Axcor Profile 900 goes straight in at the top of its category. The excellence of this light is enhanced by the quality and quantity of its functions. Let's look at them in detail. The AXCORE Profile 900 features a CMY color mixing scheme with gradual insertion filters, supported by a linear CTO correction. It offers the widest imaginable range of effects. The AXCORE Profile 900 provides all the effects found on the latest profile spotlights. 6 rotating high-definition gobos, a beautiful animation wheel, a rotating prism, 2 levels of variable frost filters, one soft edge and the other flood, to simulate a wash effect. The zoom ranges from 7 degrees to 43 degrees. Lastly, the AXCORE Profile 900 is equipped with Claypaky's patented framing system, one of the strong points of the most requested lights for professional use. One very interesting, remarkable feature is the silence of this new unit, thanks to a carefully designed LED engine cooling system. This feature, together with its top-quality light and color, makes the AXCORE Profile 900 an excellent unit for use in theaters and television studios where silence is a must. Moreover, its impressive light output and range of color visual effects make the AXCORE Profile 900 an extraordinarily attractive tool for big live events and tours too. The Cenius Hunico is the latest addition to the Cenius family, with which it shares all the basic features. It fits a special 1400-watt Osram lamp with a rich spectrum, very high CRI and 6500 Kelvin color temperature. The Cenius Hunico is therefore a great key light for all applications. This luminaire brings together in a single unit functions that are normally found in several different kinds of fixtures, and it does everything fantastically, without compromise. First of all, it is a magnificent effects projector with 6 rotating gobos, a 4-facet rotating prism, and a beautiful animation wheel. It is an outstanding moving beam shaper, since it has the same framing system as the Cenius Profile, accurate, fast and versatile. Moreover, the Cenius Hunico is an excellent wash light, since it is equipped with a system of lenses and gradual insertion frost filters that distribute the light evenly while minimizing any loss in brightness. Lastly, its most amazing feature, the Cenius Hunico is also able to generate a powerful, narrow, super concentrated beam. The light leaves the fixture through a PC lens of no less than 180 mm in diameter. This means the beam is highly visible both for its size and its density. The Cenius Hunico creates exceptional aerial effects with narrow beams. The zoom produces beam angles ranging from 5 degrees up to a maximum of 50 degrees with a slow or very fast linear excursion. This is the Cenius Hunico, a powerful multifunction fixture which combines top-quality light with incredible versatility of use. The ideal tool for the most demanding lighting designers and, at the same time, the best investment for buyers. The Charbar is an advanced moving LED bar with features that transform it into a brand new multi-beam effect light. It fits 6 powerful Osram Ostar RGBW LEDs, each with a power rating of 30 watts. The Charbar produces 6 very narrow, dense light beams that run parallel to each other through the air. Each light source is equipped with a moving mirror that is capable of panning the light beam through up to 60 degrees. Each of the 6 light beams may be pointed independently of the others. The Charbar works horizontally or vertically and generates endless combinations of static or moving beams with countless colors and innumerable beam angles. In conclusion, the Charbar produces a truly innovative lighting effect and stands out for its high-intensity, tight beams. It is not just a moving light curtain, but also an advanced LED batten with an impressive array of features which help lighting designers enhance their shows. we are pleased to announce that a further improved version of the Mythos is now available. Claypaky is proud to present the Mythos 2, a light with similar characteristics to the original version, but which fits a new Osram Sirius HRI 440-watt lamp. Moreover, the Mythos 2 is equipped with a new dimmer, which allows very smooth, gradual dimming. So, feel free to enjoy its bursts of light as they cut through the air and the complete versatility of its functions. The Mythos 2 is definitely that extra tool you need for your show. Here ends our demo. There now follows a light show using the new Claypaky lights. At the end, feel free to ask our staff for any further information. Enjoy the show!